Hello! Today we have a grammar lesson. Grammar lesson. We will see the sentence, the subject pronouns, and the verb to be. First of all, what is the sentence? The sentence. The sentence is composed of three parts or three components: the subject, the verb, the complement. Subject, verb, complement. For example, I am a student. I am a student. I is a subject, am is a verb, a student is the complement. Another example, Ali is a student. Ali is a student. Again, Ali is the subject, is the verb, and student is the complement. Now, let's move to the pronouns, the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns. The subject pronouns. So in English, we have 8 subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and finally, they. For the singular, we use I, you, he, she, it. And for the plural, we have we, you, they. We, you, they. For example, I is for the speaker. When I speak about myself, I use I. It's for me. I use you when I talk to somebody in front of me. You. She is for the absent feminine. When I talk about a girl, she is Sarah. He is for the absent masculine. When I talk about a boy, he is Ali. It is for the non-human. It can be for animals, objects, or ideas. For example, it's my dog. We is for the group of speakers. When we speak together, we. You can be used to talk to one person or to a group of people. Now they is for the absent plural. It can be boys, girls, boys and girls, and even objects. They. Now that the pronouns are clear, let's move to the verb to be. Verb to be. It takes 3 forms: are, is. Here is how we conjugate the verb. Let's start with the full form. We say I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. We are, you are, they are. We can also have a short form which can be used in speaking. For example, I am, you are, you're. She is, she's. He is, his. It is, its. We are, we're. You are, you're. And finally, they are, there. That's easy, right? Now let's see some examples. She is Sarah. She is a student. He is Mr. Smith. He is my teacher. It's Rex. It's my dog. So that's it. We have seen the sentence, the subject, pronouns, and the verb to be. And I hope it's clear enough for you. If you have any other questions, you can leave them below in comments. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.